Okay, I am here sitting in my beautiful new 2013 Ford Escape that I bought last week. One thing I'm not pleased with is the navigation here. It actually doesn't have navigation. It doesn't have a map in it, and it doesn't have a backup camera. So I got a pretty good deal on the car. I got it for $13,000. My original budget was $15,000. So I bought an upgrade kit here that will allow me to bring all the instrumentation up to the 2017 model. Okay, and it cost $2,000. A little bit pricey, but it is still within the budget I had originally set for buying a new car. So that's what I'm going to do. A little bit of surgery here. Take this dash apart and install this thing. Okay, so I got that piece off here now. So that's the first step. Then we got to take some screws out right here and on the other side, same thing. So actually, this is the first thing. The next step is we got to get this plate off. So I got the screws out here. Now we're going to take this off. Okay, that went well. I got this piece off now, and now I got to take out. We got 4 screws on here for the console. I got to take that off. Okay, I got the console out now, and it's free. Now I just got 2 plugs. I'll take these 2 plugs off of here, and we can replace this. Okay, so the old unit has this bracket on it here, and the new unit didn't come with one, so I've got to take the bracket off of here, put it on the new one. Okay, I got the brackets on the new unit now. Now I've got to hook up the GPS antenna, so that plugs into here, and that antenna needs to be stuck way onto the front of the car here, so that it gets a good signal. Okay, I got the GPS cable hooked up, got the antenna out on the front. Now I've got to hook up a special cable. This is a special connector that allows you to hook up a backup camera. So you can see the video line coming off of here. You just have to insert it in between the regular cables and you're good to go. So I'm going to hook that up. Okay, got all my cables back on now. You can see my video cable sticking out now. Probably not going to tackle that today because, well, the backup camera didn't come with any instructions of how to hook up the power, and I might have to research that a bit. So I might do that tomorrow. Okay, so I got it all put back together, and I'm going to put the top back on. Okay, and there you have it all back together, and it actually works. Look at that, navigation, show me map at my house. Sweet!